Imagine yourself standing on one leg, balancing effortlessly, your body a statue of strength and grace. Is this something you've ever dreamed of achieving? Or perhaps you've already experienced the transformative power of yoga and are curious to delve deeper into its foundational principles. Context and relevance. Asana, the physical postures that form the cornerstone of yoga, is more than just a series of poses. It's a journey of self-discovery, a path to inner peace, and a means to unlock your body's full potential. In this video, we'll explore the key principles that guide the practice of asana, helping you understand the why behind the how. Principle 1. Alignment. Alignment is the foundation of asana. It's about ensuring that your body is positioned correctly in each pose, minimizing strain and maximizing benefits. Proper alignment involves neutral spine, maintaining a natural curve in your spine, avoiding excessive arching or rounding. Engaged core, activating your abdominal and back muscles to support your body and prevent injury. Weight distribution, distributing your weight evenly across your feet or hands, creating a stable base. Joint protection, avoiding hyperextension or excessive compression in your joints. By paying attention to alignment, you can prevent injuries, improve your balance, and deepen your practice. Principle 2. Breath awareness. Breath is the life force of yoga. Connects your mind, body, and spirit. In asana, breath awareness is essential for relaxation. Deep, steady breathing helps to calm the mind and reduce stress. Energy flow. Synchronizing your breath with your movements can enhance energy flow throughout your body. Focus. Concentrating on your breath can help you stay present and focused on the task at hand. Mind-body connection. Connecting your breath to your movements fosters a deeper mind-body connection. Experiment with different breathing techniques such as deep belly breaths or ujjayi breathing to find what works best for you. Principle 3. Non-judgmental awareness. Yoga is a practice of self-discovery. It's a journey of acceptance and non-judgment. When practicing asana, it's important to observe without judging. Notice your thoughts and feelings without attaching labels or judgments. Embrace imperfection. Recognize that perfection is unattainable and embrace the process of growth. Be kind to yourself. Treat yourself with compassion and understanding, even when things don't go as planned. By cultivating non-judgmental awareness, you can create a more peaceful and fulfilling yoga practice. Principle 4. Balance. Balance is a key component of asana. It's about finding equilibrium both physically and mentally. Balancing poses can improve stability, enhance your overall balance and coordination, strengthen muscles, challenge your muscles in new ways, leading to increased strength and flexibility. Boost confidence, build self-confidence and resilience. Start with simple balancing poses and gradually progress to more challenging ones as your skills improve. Principle 5. Flexibility. Flexibility is another important aspect of asana. It's about increasing your range of motion and improving your body's ability to move freely. Flexibility can reduce pain, alleviate muscle tension and stiffness, improve posture, help you maintain good posture and alignment, enhance performance, enhance your athletic performance and overall well-being. Remember to listen to your body and avoid pushing yourself beyond your limits. The principles of asana are the foundation of a meaningful yoga practice. By understanding and applying these principles, you can deepen your connection to yourself and unlock your body's full potential. Remember, yoga is a journey, not a destination. So embrace the process, be patient with yourself, and enjoy the ride. With that said, thanks for watching, and until next time, may your journey on the mat be filled with peace, joy, and self-discovery.